The changes my organization is working on are education, productive health, and food security. We've been able to build an elementary school. We are now building a community resource center which will have library for the community and also an ICT training center, computer training center for the community. We've been able also to initiate projects on irrigation. We also hosted several reproductive health workshops to broaden the community on reproductive health care.
This young man, Alistair, initiated projects in Kasavai which has really improved the quality of life in our village. I thank God for bringing this young man to our assistance.
My vision in 3 years' time for this community is I see a community which has enough food production to serve its members and also to be able to sell and increase income. I'm also dreaming a community which has little school dropout. This will make the community develop more. I'm also seeing a community which has minimal number of rural to urban migration. This youth should stay in the community and help in developing its community.